Extinction of the Dodo, a true natural disaster, by Calvin Wagner. Brought to public knowledge and fame by the 1951 film Alice in Wonderland, the dodo was ironically cast as an intelligent and sophisticated bird. Contrarily, the creature was perceived by its discoverers as an imbecile, a strange-looking fowl that acted even stranger, interacting casually with humans as stray cats do, never before having to fear predation. An island off the coast of Madagascar called Mauritius was the dodo's sole habitat. Largely undisturbed until the early 1600s, the dodo bird evolved stubby wings, a friendly demeanor, and an appetite for calvaria fruit, along with the love of solitaire. In 1638, the Dutch colonized Mauritius, bringing with them rats, pigs, dogs, and a hunger needing to be satisfied. Not overwhelmingly delicious, but tasty enough, the dodo, standing nearly 4 feet tall and weighing upwards of 50 pounds, served as an easy and decent meal for the settlers, as did their ground-nested eggs for the animals the settlers brought along.
See if you can spot out the dodo bird. Where's it gone? Look how well it blends into the surroundings.
A video clip, although appearing very professional, was not at all how the Dutch's interaction with the dodos went. These large birds would often walk right up to humans, not conceiving that something would ever attack them. Due to these unassuming encounters, the dodo bird population dwindled and finally ceased to exist by the early 1800s, less than 50 years after they were first hunted. Even though it was just the dodo that went extinct, its loss meant bleak futures for some of the other organisms on the island as well, namely the calvaria tree. This tree worked hand in hand with the dodo for survival, the bird eating its fruit as a food source, meanwhile breaking down the hard shell of the seeds within the fruit and essentially planting the calvaria saplings in their feces. Dodo extinction meant that the end for the calvaria was near. By 1970, only 13 calvaria trees remained and would have died out had scientists not introduced turkeys to their seeds in order to mimic the dodo and use the turkey gizzards to break its shell. Other species, however, were not so fortunate as the calvaria and died out in the years following the dodo extinction due to ecosystem disruption and deforestation. These include the Dome Rodriguez giant tortoise, the Manchurian giant skink, the broad-billed parrot, the mascarene coot, the Mercurius blue pigeon, and the lesser mascarene flying fox. Although dodos are currently extinct, hope is not lost that their time on Earth is past, as current in-progress cloning and extinction research projects strive to resurrect the dodo using its closest living relative, the Nicobar pigeon, as a surrogate.